You need to hear this if you're a curious kid. Hey kids, Hank here. Ever wondered how far away the moon is? Welcome back to another episode of What the Hank? Today we're heading to outer space to find out just how far away the moon really is. Spoiler alert, it's pretty far. So how far is the moon from Earth? It's about 384,400 kilometers away. That's like stacking 9,600 school buses end to end. Imagine that traffic jam. Now, you might be wondering, Hank, how long would it take to get there? Great question. If you could drive to the moon in a car going 100 kilometers per hour, non-stop, it would take you about 160 days. That's a really long road trip. Make sure to pack snacks. But astronauts don't drive cars to the moon, do they? Nope, they fly in super speedy rockets. It takes them about 3 days to get there, which is way faster. Here's a fun fact, the moon is moving away from us by about 3.8 centimeters every year. So if you ever feel like it's harder to reach your dreams, just remember, even the moon is drifting away a little each day. Dad joke alert. Why did the cow go to outer space? To visit the Milky Way. Get it? Milky Way? So next time you look up at the night sky and see the moon, remember, it's far, but not too far for us to explore and learn about. Keep being curious, kids. See you later, alligator.